What up my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just joining us, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you an ingredient that would give you a younger looking skin, just applying it in 5 minutes. Like, this treatment is really good because it will remove all those age related stuff on your skin, stretch out fine lines, and give you a younger looking skin. So if you want to know what my ingredient is gonna be, please do continue watching, and also don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, and they also ask all of your questions on my website, and also if you want to buy some of these beauty ingredients that I use on my videos, you can buy that on my website. The link will be at my comment section, it is pinned down there. Also check out my vlog channel, there are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. The first ingredients, pure gram flour. Now you can buy this gram flour on my website, the link will be at my comment section. Alright, gram flour helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. It is also used for a body scrub because it's perfect in removing layers of your skin, leaving your skin flawlessly smooth and lightened. Gram flour extracts excessive oil from the skin, remove dry skin. For the pure gram flour, I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient, plain flour. This is actually the flour you use in baking, alright? So you can get this in the baking shop. Flour exfoliates dead skin cells. It helps to lift dirt on the skin, leaving the skin moisturized. It absorbs excessive oil, leaving the skin smooth. Is perfect for an acne prone skin, and it's good to removing pigmentation and excessive age spots. And for the plain flour, you can see the difference. The plain flour is white and the gram flour is milkish in color. I'm also going to be scooping in 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient, egg. The presence of astringent property in egg helps to tighten the skin. It helps to lighten up the skin, shrink large and open pores, therefore leaving the skin smooth and rejuvenated, removing excessive dryness, excessive oil. It lifts up dead skin cells and tighten up the sagging jawline or sagging skin. And for the egg, I had to divide the whites from the yolk, right? So I'm going to be scooping in about 2 tablespoons of egg whites. Oops. The next ingredient, lemon. Lemon is master in treating blackheads. The presence of antibacterial property in lemon helps to treat acne, and it removes whiteheads and blackheads. The citric acids help to lighten up the skin. It balances the pH level of the skin. It gives the skin a glow and remove age spots. For the lemon, I'm going to be cutting the lemon and I'm going to be squeezing in about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to be mixing the ingredients together, and if you're having a more thicker consistency just like I'm having, you can add up some egg whites into it. Alright, so it can, then you have to make sure to stir and mix the ingredients properly. Here is my anti-aging treatment ready to be used. So here is my 5 minutes younger skin remedy. Alright, this treatment would leave your skin looking young and beautiful. So you can apply it with whatsoever treatment, whatsoever application you deem fit. But before you apply it, make sure to leave this into the refrigerator. Alright, let it sit there and be very, very chill. Okay, so when you apply it, it's gonna work wonders. Alright, because it's gonna remove age spots, it's gonna diminish large pores, it's just going to help a lot on your skin, like removing acne, spots, and all other skin related problems. Alright, that is making your skin look dull and rough. This is just going to be very, very helpful. So if you have any line around here, make sure to apply this there. So after you've applied this generously onto your face, because it's not expensive, alright, so you leave this onto your face for it to dry. Alright, so when it's dry, you can go wash this off with cool water. Alright, to have a young looking skin, you have to always try to use a cool, chilled water on your skin. Alright, so I'll go wash mine out and I'll be right back. Alright, basically that's just a very simple way to look younger in 5 minutes. Like, this treatment is just to clear up some dead skin cells on your skin, leaving your skin visible enough, and when your pores can breathe, now your skin is healthy. Alright, so if you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there, and also check out for beauty ingredients on my website. I'm sure you're going to be seeing all of those beauty ingredients on my website to purchase. Alright, also check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless. Bye.